Our project boat, the Rinker Fiesta Vee 270, comes with a Jabsco marine head. This has been around for ever, it seems like, and many boats have this particular toilet. By far the most common replacement parts are the Joker valve, because it's shaped like a Joker's hat, and also the top valve gasket. When I made this video, I had just contracted COVID and couldn't smell or taste anything. It's June, and it's South Florida, and it's about 100 degrees out, so it's about 120 degrees in the head. First I sprayed everything down with some bleach and water, and then I got to work taking apart the top valve assembly. It's just 6 screws with a regular standard size screwdriver. It's easier to disassemble the valve if you slightly lift up on the handle and then also keep the selector switch to the left. Then you can just take it apart and you'll expose the top valve assembly. Also be careful because the 6 screws will fall out onto the floor. From there, just remove the old one, and then there's also a small stainless steel spring inside, and that also comes in the repair kit. Just push the stainless steel spring back on that post where it goes and put the new valve into place. It has brass weights on it to help the valve stay closed, and it just pushes right into place really easily. I believe the parts have remained unchanged since 1986, so that is one good thing. Then I just carefully reassembled it the same way I took it apart and tightened everything up. I don't know if I had mentioned earlier that it was about 100 degrees out, so it was about 120 degrees in the head. The only place that I could actually even find to put my camera was hanging from the towel bar, so you can see it's pretty tight quarters, especially for us bigger guys. Well, that was pretty easy. Now it's time to move on to the Joker valve. That area of the head can only be described as the entrance to hell. Yes, it's everything you imagined. This was held in place with 2 screws, and once they were loosened, I did get a little bit of fluid that leaked out, but then again, that's part of a toilet repair. I moved the valve assembly out of the way, and then the old valve just pulled right out. You definitely want to have gloves on. The new valve just popped right back into place, and then I reattached the cover with the 2 bolts. After that, I just cleaned everything up, and we were good to go. The parts were about $20 each, and I got them on Amazon, and I'll put a link in the description. Thanks for watching.